Yeah! I love it! Colorado. I'm Greg Wittstock, the Pond Guide. This is my channel, Greg Wittstock, the Pond Guide. It's all about showcasing how people live the aquascape lifestyle. And we are in Colorado Springs with this fine young man, Matt Heiner, today, visiting his clientele. We have a pond or a pondless here, Matt?
We have a pondless.
And we're at the Garden of the Gods, right?
This is the Kissing Camels neighborhood. What's really unique about this property is the view of Garden of the Gods that we have.
Hi there, I'm the Pond Guide, Greg Wittstock.
Greg, nice to meet you.
How are you doing?
This is my wife, Sue.
Hi, Sue, the Pond Guide, Greg.
Oh, let me think. Hi, honey.
Oh,
I don't know him. Oh,
can I get a hug?
wow.
Can I get a hug too?
Oh, no, now it's out there. Now it's out there.
I'm just happy that I got views. What an incredible view.
Oh, do you see the camels?
What you've been telling me about these kissing camels, I have not had a view of them yet.
So it's the big red rock, way over on the left
Yeah.
at the top. You see a hump and a head.
Uh-huh.
And then
A head
kissing
and no
the other
hump.
head. Second camel lost her hump, I guess, a few years ago.
So what got you inspired to have a water feature?
Let me think. Retire. Where should we move to? Back to the mountains, for crying out loud. From Milwaukee. Tom goes, oh, but we should maybe go think about being on the ocean, the water, the lake. I said, okay. End of, we can have a water feature and look at the mountains.
What do people say that come to your house for the first time and, well, not only this unbelievable view, but you have this waterfall in the front? I mean, they gotta be a little surprised.
This is going to be recorded.
Yes.
Well, the first thing is the last guy, he came to do some work on the hot tub. He came around the side of the house and I was coming out the back door. I said, oh, and I thought something happened and I came around the corner. He was just standing there. He goes, I didn't know you could do this. He's now on the top of the list to repair our hot tub.
This is as spectacular of a view as I featured on my vlog channel yet. I mean, just look at this.
Watch out,
So the Kissing Camels, I guess, out here, the Gardens of the Gods. So the Kissing Camels is part of the Gardens of the God? How does this work?
Yeah.
So, oh, you got a vanishing edge.
Yep, we did
Oh, very cool.
To,
So instead of a vanishing edge swimming pool, we have a vanishing edge pond.
one of the things that we tried to do in the design, capture the
Oh my gosh, you did it.
view.
I can
So
see
when you
it.
look at the vanishing edge, it goes straight into the Kissing Camels at the Garden of the Gods.
Love the fire pit too. Love the colored chairs. Wow. Hot tub, waterfall, stream, fire pit, vanishing edge. This is the view. This is the definition of living the aquascape lifestyle. I don't know why anybody would want to ever leave this place. First thing, Matt, that I saw when I came up here was a bubbling rock. And you said that you also have a pond in the backyard.
Kind of like a thing. You gotta have water feature in the front to greet you. It's almost like the introduction to what's to come.
Absolutely.
How you doing, Dave?
The pond guy, Greg Wittstock.
Nice to meet you. Hey, Matt.
Hey, good to see you, bud. Yeah, good to see you.
Was this the second water feature here, Dave? And the first one was in the back?
This was the first.
So you started with this one, and then you went with a full-blown pond in the back.
Yeah.
Oh, look at this view. Look at this view. I love this. So right off of your kitchen, this is what you look out at, huh?
Absolutely.
Oh, that's spectacular. So you got a nice outdoor patio right here next to that sound.
Yes.
How long has this been in then?
About 2 years, right? Yep.
Okay.
2 years.
How's it been like living with an aquascape ecosystem water feature?
It's pretty cool. I mean, I'm a kid from Kansas who grew up with not a lot of water around, so this is really kind of a new concept for us.
So now that you've had a pond for 2 years,
Yep.
You're a first-time pond owner.
Yes.
What has the maintenance been like compared to what you thought it would have been like? What do you do?
It's a lot easier than what I thought. It's a little bit of treatment once a month.
treatments?
Yeah, and that's it. It's a lot simpler than what we had thought.
Where's your fish?
We don't have any right now, but we're looking on getting some for next year.
Okay.
Again, stages. One cool thing about this is we get a lot of nature out here. We get foxes, we get deer, we get squirrels, we get birds. And we have a family of some owls that they come and they actually perch right there on that stump.
Are you serious?
And look right into there. And
Like what kind of owl? Like a
I think it's like a great horned owl.
oh, big ones.
It's good size. I'm not a
Even they like the sound of a water feature. I love how this patio is surrounded by water. Waterfall and stream here, waterfall and stream there. This is living the aquascape lifestyle personified. I love it. I love it. Pond Guy.
I'm
Greg.
Hal. Good to meet you.
Hal, nice to meet you.
I'm the wife.
I'll give you a hug if you're with Hal.
Hey, all right.
So this is a pondless waterfall that's been in here for 1 year.
Yeah,
The last
yeah.
one.
Yeah. Here's our
Nice big
backyard.
view of the park.
The park's for backyard.
Oh, look at that, it's right here. Did Heiner do all this, hardscaping in the kitchen?
Yep.
Nice. Should we go see it?
Yeah.
Sure. Down there.
Come on down.
I love it because they have a whole backyard living here. They've got a fire pit area, they've got an outdoor kitchen, they got a beautiful view of a park, and you got a little pondless waterfall. Something like this you could install in 1 day. It's probably $5,000, $6,000. It's like a hot tub for, you know, the sound versus for people to sit in. But listen to that sound. You hear the kids far away in the park, but you got this right where you live. This is what living the aquascape lifestyle is all about. It's not just the water feature, but how it creates a space for a fire pit, an outdoor kitchen, a seating area, and you fill that area with life. Water is life, and that's why we put these water features in. It creates the rest of the ambiance around it. So new water feature owner, new homeowner for this whole thing, but a beautiful little job. It's got a little dosing system on it right here. I like how they customize it with their little mushrooms, and no two water features are exactly alike. Every stone you use is a one-of-a-kind stone. Every setting is a unique setting. I love the fact this is a core rock that starts it with that vertical element. Just have some aqua blocks up here. It just recirculates. You can put it on a switch, flip it on and off, or keep it running 24/7, and just that sound is what makes this space. And that's exactly why I'm doing this channel, to showcase how people, cool people, are living the aquascape lifestyle. Thank you for your hospitality.
You bet.
If you want more people to see and be exposed to what living the aquascape lifestyle is about, like, comment, subscribe to this channel, and share this so people can see what living the aquascape lifestyle is all about. I love my